Here's why your parents were lying when they told you not to crack your knuckles. This man's name is Dr. Donald, and he decided to crack his knuckles every day for 60 years, but not just randomly. His mom always told him, don't crack your knuckles, but there was never enough research to prove this, so he decided to do a little experiment. Dr. Donald decided he would only crack the knuckles on his left hand and then get them both x-rayed 60 years later to see if there's a difference. And as it turns out, there was no difference at all, so cracking your knuckles is pretty much safe. All it is the popping of air bubbles. You're not actually cracking your bone.